Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MoboMoto, and today I have Moto E5 Plus. As you can see, this is a box of that, and I have just ordered this device. And for your kind information, one actually best offer is going on, so you can get it in 2000 extra off on exchange. So I got it only at 7300 in the exchange offer. So if you'll consider the value of 7300 rupees after exchange, then I think this is the best deal. So as you can see, this is the box pack, and I ordered this from Flipkart. So I'll show you the device within a minute. Okay. So packaging is very nice. You can see it's already in polythene wrap. So let me remove this. So some of the specifications are already mentioned on the box. That's you can see the main highlight of the device is 5000 mAh battery, and this is having 6-inch full HD, not full HD, SD plus display, and it has fingerprint sensor as well. And it is a Snapdragon octa-core processor, that is Snapdragon 430. So now I'll open the box and I will give you the first look of the device. So only one side there is a seal, and other side there's nothing. Okay, so at the very top you can see this is device itself. Oh, it is already in the back cover. So they are also giving silicon back cover with the device. You can see here this is made up of silicon, and the look of the device, first impression of the device is very nice. It is looking very premium kind of device, even though it is having only a price bracket of 12,000 rupees. So I'll give you detail of the device later on. So now have a look at other box content, what else you are getting here. So you can see here some paperwork from Motorola. It is mentioned readme, and another thing is, I don't know what is this. Oh, some safety regulations. Okay, fine. SIM ejector tool separately, not in. Okay, so this is charger. So let me give you overview of the charger as well, because it is having very huge battery, and if it will not have good charger, then it will be very difficult to charge. Okay, so it is 2 ampere charger, not 1.5, so it is, I think, good enough. And even it is a 10-watt charger, so you will not have any problem, I think. But even though it is having very huge battery, so it will take around 3 to 4 hours in full charge. Okay, and apart from that, data cable, you can see here the data cable is, yes, it is regular USB, not type C. And one more content is also nice to see earphone in the box, because most of the competitors are not providing this, but this is not of best quality, I'll say. But yes, of course there is earphone in the box. Okay, so this was all box content. So now I'll show you the device. So you can see here at the right side, this is power button and volume up and down, and the power button has some texture kind of feeling, and it is having single camera, not dual. So it is basically the focus, which is laser focus, and this is camera of 12 megapixel, and below that LED flash, and this is something looking like a smiley face over here, and this is a Motorola logo embedded here, and at the same time it will also work as a fingerprint sensor. At the bottom side you can see here it is not very busy. There is only mic, primary mic, and charging grill, nothing else. And At the top side you can see here secondary mic for noise cancellation, and here 3.5mm jack, and at the left side SIM ejector tray only. So I'll also like to give you, what kind of tray they are giving in this device. So let me show you that as well. Okay, so nice to see it has dedicated microSD card slot. So you'll put here SD card and 2 nano SIM cards. And now let me boot up the device. So at the top you can see here this is 5 megapixel camera along with LED flash, and at the bottom side this is very nice, I'll say. Motorola logo is at the bottom of the device. So now it is actually new look of the Motorola devices. They start making device in such. Okay, this is the best tone. Apart from Nokia, Hello Moto is also very popular. Okay, set up as a new. I'll skip those options and I will directly take you. Okay, these are the terms and conditions. Accept and continue, and then next. Okay, let me show you the fingerprint as well, how that will work. So I am putting some simple pattern. Okay, fine. So next, and then fingerprint. Adding fingerprint is very simple, and while adding it seems that it will be fast enough. Oh, okay, all set, and now yes, I am in. Okay, fine. So this is first impression. So it is HD plus display, and which seems to be very nice in the first impression. And I'll show you the cameras as well. So if I'll next. Okay, fine. So now the camera is ready. So I like to show you details of the cameras. Okay, fine. So it is not having very wide angle lens, even though I think it will be able to capture nice details, since Motorola cameras are always better, so will not have any problem, I think so. And as you can see, cameras are really, and it has various modes as well, so you will not have any problem, I think so. And in the first impression, I'll say the camera is very nice, 12 megapixel, and it has 2.0 aperture, which will be better in performance, what I feel. And now I'll show you the front camera as well. So I'd like to show you the front camera as well. Okay, fine. Let me take a snapshot. And it has LED flash as well. So okay, fine. So I'll just take a snapshot with. Yes. So in the selfie department, it will not lag at all. It is giving a good quality image as well. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to hit subscribe button, and please like this video if you really like the video. And thanks for watching. This is Arun signing off. Stay tuned on MoboMoto. See you again in next video. Thank you.